Hi everyone, this is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes, here to give you your weekly SLO Happy Home update. I have a great investment property on the market located in Morro Bay. If you've always wanted to have an investment property, this might be the one for you. It is 2 single-level homes, each with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, nice sized living area, each have a 2-car garage. Tenants pay all their own utilities. Left side's rented, paying $2,100 a month. Right side is vacant, and the property manager seems to think you get more per month for that one. If you've ever wanted an investment property, or maybe want to live at the coast, have one at the coast and rent out the other, this might be your property. We'd be happy to give you more information. Once again, it's located at 2181 and 2181 and a half Sunset Avenue in Morro Bay, priced at $950,000. Give us a call. We'd love to give you more details. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes. I cover all of San Luis Obispo County and northern Santa Barbara County. You have a SLO Happy day.